Yes, students. So exercise 6D from question number B will start. Let's see what is the question says. In this question says find the missing term. Find the missing term. Actually, this full question is given making a perfect trinomial square. So we have to find out the missing term. Obviously, this is a trinomial, and in this trinomial, how many terms are there? Obviously, 3 terms are there. And out of these 3 terms, sometimes we will find out middle term, sometimes we'll find out first term, sometimes we'll find out third term also. Okay, so let's see how we'll find out this one. Actually, first of all, we have to find out what is the value of a. Obviously, n square. So n square means we can say n ka square. And here a is equals to n. Write down here all of you. A is equals to n. Now all of you tell me 49 is which number square? 7. So we can write down here plus 7 square. So b is equals to how many? B is equals to 7. Understood? A is equals to n and b is equals to 7. So obviously we can say this is making a formula a square plus give a square plus b square plus 2ab. So write down all of you 2 into a is equals to n and b is equals to 7. Yes. So write down here whatever calculation is there, that means whatever multiplication is there, that only this is your correct answer. So we can say 2 into 7, that is 14. 14n is the correct answer. So instead of this question mark, you will write down what? 14n. That is your complete answer. So आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हो n square plus 14n plus 49. Yes, this is your complete answer. Okay, very easy question. You have to find out 14n only. इसको आपको find करने के लिए दे रखा था. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see question number 13. Now in question number 13, that is given x square minus question mark plus 25. Just same question. Just same question. All of you see here. Again x ka whole square. So a is equals to how many? A is equals to x. A is equals to x. Now come last term. 25. Which number square? 5. Write down here 5 square. So we can say b is equals to how many? B is equals to 5. Then a square minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b. So when you multiply this term, then answer will become how many? 2 into x into 5, that is 10x. So write down all of you, x square minus 10x plus 25. Done. So in this, instead of this question mark, you have to write down 10x. That is your correct answer. Okay, all of you understood? All of you on your camera. All of you on your front camera fast. Okay, now we'll move next question. Very, very simple question. Now we'll move. Okay, tell me students, what is the value of next question? This question you have to solve yourself only. B square minus question mark plus 9. Okay, let's see. Yes, many of the students already given answer. Very good. Saroj 6B, Aditya Meena 6B. Yes, obviously we can say 6b. These questions are very easy, so we can write down here b square. First of all, a is equals to what? A is equals to, we will consider here b. And 9, which number square? This is 3 square. So we can say b is equals to how many? 3. We can say a is equals to b and b is equals to 3 according to the question only. And minus 2 into a into b. So we can say b square minus, multiply now, 3 2 is 6, b plus 9. So instead of this question mark, again we can say the answer will be 6b. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay? Yes, students? Next question, let's see. Question number 15. Question mark plus 16x plus 64. Okay, now in this question something is different, but this is also very easy. So first of all, what I have to do? Try to understand. All of you tell me 64 is the number that which number square? 64 is the number, this which number square? Obviously we can say it. एंड जो आपका मिडिल टर्म है ना उसको हमें किस तरीके से ब्रेक करना होता है, 2ab फॉर्म. सो वी कैन से, थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू, 16x इफ आई ब्रेक लाइक दिस 2 into a, ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट a ओनली, बट वी नो b is equals to how many? 8. नाउ थिंक स्टूडेंट्स, 2 into 8 16, और 16 के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप, 16x आ जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली वी कैन से x ओनली. सो राइट डाउन 8 to 16 into x. So instead of this, let's write down first of all this one, 2 into x into 8. So instead of this first term, we will write down a square, but we know a is equals to x. That's why we will write down here x square. Yes, this is the correct answer. Understood all of you? Very easy. Aditya Meena, you given answer question of 15 also, 16 also, 17 also. Okay, very good. Now see, try to understand the concept first of all. Okay, all of you? Okay. Now we'll move next question. Let's see here, question number 16. Now question number 16, that is given p square minus 10pq plus dash. So in this question, what I have to find out? Let's see. In this question, students, we have to find out b square. So that's why we need to find out b first of all. We need to find out b. So here we know a square. That means a we know. A is equals to p. This is given. We will write down again p ka square minus this 10pq we will break like this, which form? 2ab form. So write down all of you, 2 into a क्या दे रखा है आपका 5. Okay, write down 5 multiply b. So what is the value of b? Think. आप 2p तो हमारे पास already है ही. So 2p multiply by which one? That 10pq will come. 2 multiply by which number? That 10 will come. 5. So write down 5 and q also. Because we know here q is there. That's why आपको q भी multiply करना है. So we can say b is equals to how many? b is equals to 5. Write down here. This is to write down obviously same thing, 2 into a into b plus b square, जो भी आपका b आया, that number square. So we can say the answer will be p square minus multiply 10pq plus 5 का square 25 and q square. That is your complete answer. That means we can say b square is equals to how many? 25 q square. Okay, understood all of you? Yes, students? Show your thumbs up so I can. Very good. Yes, Rudraksh, what happened? Why not understand? Very easy question. Okay, try to understand one time. Actually, in this question, we have to find out a and b. We have to find out what is the value of a, what is the value of b. So we can say here a is equals to how many? P. No issue. We have to see here, actually 10 pq is given, है ना? And we know 10 pq will break in the form of 2 into a into b. So 2 multiply a is given p and b is given how many? Think. 2 multiply by which number that 10 will come? 5. Write down 5. Still 10 pq not came. We will multiply q also. So we can say, now all of you see, 2 into 5 10 and p into q, that is pq. So the answer will be 10 pq. So that's why we can say इसी तरीके से आपको find करना है ना, what is the value of a, what is the value of b. Understood? Now we'll move next question. Let's see question number, okay, question number 17 that you have to solve yourself. Okay, note down question number 17. Now question number C is there. In this question number C, that is given factorize. We have to do factorize. Okay, see here. How to find out the factorize? In front of you, question number 18 is there. A square plus 2a plus 1. This is a very, very important question. आपसे आपका जो भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आने वाला. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू सी हियर, all of you on your camera also fast. Yes, Aditya, Apurva, Aditya, Meena, Ajay, Sahil, all of you fast. Okay, now all of you try to understand the concept. We have to factorize this trinomial. How? First of all, same process. A square is which number square? A square only. Now come last one. 1 is which number square? 1 only, because 1 will raised to the power any number, that 1 will come. 1 raised to the power 3, 1, 1 raised to the power 4, 1, 1 raised to the power 5, 1 we can say. That's why 1 square we will find out. And this middle term we will break like this. 2 into A means A only, and B means B, 1 is equals to, and B is equals to 1 and A is equals to A. Now students see, this is not making a formula. ये formula नहीं बन रहा है क्या? A plus B का whole square. Yes, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So we can write down A plus B whole square. No issue. लिख सकते हैं ना हम A plus B का whole square. Now this one we will write down 2 times. बस आपको 2 बार लिख देना है, A plus 1 and A plus 1. Why we will write down? Because in this question says factorize we have to do. तो इसी वजह से हम क्या लिखेंगे इसको? A plus 1 multiply A plus 1. Understood? Again I am taking one example. Suppose if I say 2 square. 2 square means what? 2 square means 2 multiply 2. Yes or no? So similar way, A plus 1 का whole square means what? A plus 1 multiply A plus 1. अगर यहाँ पे power 3 रहता, so we will write down A plus 1 multiply A plus 1 multiply A plus 1. That much only. Okay? Understood? Now we'll take next question. Let's see here. देखो एक ये जो प्रोसेस है ये सिमिलर है. एक क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाएगा तो आप सारे क्वेश्चन अपने आप भी कर सकते हो. Now next question, see here, question number 19. B square plus 4B plus 4. Okay, same question. All of you see here, same question, just same question. Rudrak, see here properly. First of all, B square which number square? B square only. Now 4 square. 4 square which number square? 2 square. Now this middle term 4B will break like this. Plus 2 into A into means B here into 2. 2 into this one multiply this one. Now this is again making another formula. Same formula. A plus B ka whole square. See, B square plus 2B into 2 plus B square. So we can say B plus 2 ka whole square. We know this is A now, this is B. That's why A plus B ka whole square. And similar way we will write down B plus 2 multiply B plus 2. That is your complete answer. Now understood all of you? Same pattern, same pattern. If you see here, same pattern. थोड़ा बहुत भी मतलब कुछ भी चेंज नहीं है. What happened, Amit? Yes, Amit. Now this question you have to solve yourself. Question number 20. Y square minus 8y plus 16. Yes, students. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Y square minus 8y plus 16. Yes.
Sir, y plus 16 bracket y plus 16.
How it is possible? No, wrong answer.
Y plus 4, sir. Y plus 4. Y plus 4. Y plus 4.
Whatever your answer is there, write down in chat option. And just think properly. Yes, Rudraksh. Radhika, just try to understand. Because this all the questions are similar pattern. Yes, many of the students given correct answer only. Again, same way, we will write down y square. And come in last, 16 is the square of 4. So we know A. we know b. A is equals to y and b is equals to 4. Now this term we will break minus 2ab form. Write down minus 2 into a into b. ये तो करना है. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square, which formula? A minus b का whole square. And afterwards you have to write down 2 times because square is there. Y minus 4 and y minus 4. Complete answer. Okay, understood? Okay, now we'll move next question. Next question, question number 20 completed, 21. 21, that is 36 minus 12r plus r square. This is also very easy question. This is also very easy question. 36 minus 12r plus r square. Yes, correct answer. 6 square. First of all, 6 square plus r square. A we know 6, B we know r. ये क्वेश्चंस आपका माइंड में भी सॉल्व हो सकता है, कोई आपका पेन का भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं रिक्वायर. इजी, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस है. माइनस 2 इंटू 6 इंटू आर इज इक्वल्स टू 6 माइनस आर का होल स्क्वायर. बिकॉज वी नो ए, वी नो बी, सो ए माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर. सो वी कैन से 6 minus r, again 6 minus r. Done. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Yeah, this question you can solve yourself also. Okay. Now see all of you, question number 21 done. 22, 23. These 2 questions you have to solve yourself. 20, good. 22 and 23. Okay, I will move now. Question number 24. Okay. See here, question number 24. Let's see. A square, sorry, here given 16a square x square. Okay, this is your question. Try to understand. 1 minus 8ax plus 16a square x square. Concept same, थोड़ा सा आपका different है, तो इसलिए आपका स्क्वायर में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. अदरवाइज दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू सी हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट a. So 1, which number square? 1 square only. Now come here, last term. Students, all of you try to understand 16a square x square, which number square? 4ax का whole square. Try to understand. 16, 4 का square all of you know. But आप लोगों का मिस्टेक यहाँ पे होता है, x a square x square. That's why a square x square is which number square? ax का whole square. So that means we can say b is equals to 4ax, a is equals to 1. Now write down as it is 2 into a, copy कर लो यहाँ से, into b, this one b. So write down. Now we can say a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b का whole square. Okay, and we can say 1 minus 4ax and 1 minus 4ax. Done. Okay, understood? Very easy. Okay, now we'll move next question. Question number 25. Okay, let's see first of all. Question number 25 is hard or easy? This is also easy. You can easily solve this question. 25 also. Okay, 26 come. All of you see in question number 26. So question number 26, x square plus 5x plus 25 upon 4. Now let's see who is the intelligent boys and girls in your class. Who give an answer? Already given answer one student. No, this is 25 answer. Tell me 26 answer. Divyanshu very fast. मैंने 25 मैंने करवाई नहीं आप लोगों को. Come in 26 and tell me the correct answer. Yes, all of you. Not properly correct. Something. Sir, video is not coming. Jatin, just check your network. Because video is properly coming. Okay. x square plus 5x plus 25 upon 4. First of all, you have to try to find what is the value of a, what is the value of b. Very simple. See here. x का square, a square plus 25 which number square? 5 है ना? And 4, 2. So we can write down 5 upon 2 का whole square. Now come here in between term. 2 into a that means x, b that means 5 upon 2. आप चेक कर सकते हो इसको. 2 into a into b. This answer is coming 5x. Yes or no? Let's see. 2 cancel out and here coming 5x only. That means we are going in correct direction, right direction. Now see here, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So we can say a plus b ka whole square. Okay, a plus b ka whole square, and similar way write down 2 times x plus 5 upon 2 and x plus 5 upon 2. अगर इसको आप 2 times नहीं लिखोगे, so this is not your complete answer. यहाँ तक आपको मार्क्स फुल नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, understood all of you? Yes, Amit. Only Amit का कैमरा ऑन है, and all the students are in sleeping mode. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see here. Question number 27. Yes. So all of you see question number 27. 49x to the power 4 minus 168 x to the power, sorry, x square y square plus 144 y to the power 4. This is very good question. Yes, sir, please solve question number 28. Yes, 27, so now I will solve question number 28 also, obviously. Yes. Yes, students, all of you on your camera. Sir, what happened? Aditya? Okay, no issue, Aditya. Okay, now try to understand this concept. Very simple concept. Concept to same ही है, but questions different. So we can say first of all 49. So 49 which number square? 7. And students, this is very important. X to the power 4 we will write down. X to the power 4 we will write down x square का whole square. Now all of you check. 7 square 49 and x square whole square, that is x to the power 4. Because we know any number raised to the power that number is equals to power multiply. Already we are learned this in which chapter? Chapter number 2, exponent. है ना, इसमें हम पढ़ चुके थे ना, power raised to the power, power is equals to, power will be multiply each other. So same concept you have to use here also. Now come here, 144 y to the power 4, we can write down 12 y square whole square. So we can say a is equals to how many? A is equals to 7x square. B is equals to 12y square. Now write down in between term minus 2 into a into b. Done. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Which number square? Sorry, which formula? A minus b ka whole square. So we can say a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square. Again repeat like this, 7x square minus 12y square. Again similar way, 7x square minus 12y square. Done. This is your complete answer. Okay students, very easy question. Give your response. Very good. Solve till 30. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now students, we have to do question number 28. A square plus a plus 1 upon 4. I know some students stop here in this question. You are not understanding this question. No issue, I will explain you this question also. Okay, just check it here. Actually, a square plus a plus 1 upon 4 सेम प्रोसेस. आपको सिर्फ क्या देखना होता है, what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So we can say a square means a square only and b means 1 upon 2 का square, है ना, a square plus b square. And this middle term same 2ab, write down 2ab only. How? 2 into a into b. Now all of you just check out one time. 2 into a into 1 upon 2. What is the value of this? 2 to cancel out and a into 1 a only. So that's why here a written. है ना? So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Which formula? A plus b का whole square. And we will write down again 2 times. A plus 1 upon 2 and a plus 1 upon 2. Done. Okay, no issue. So still question number 28. This is done. So question number 29 and question number 30. So यहाँ तक आपको सॉल्व करके अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में या फेयर नोटबुक में आपको करना है. ओके, दिस इज इनफ फॉर टुडेज क्लास. आपका क्लास कैसे फिनिश हो गया 30 मिनट्स पता ही नहीं चला, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो. यस और नो? Very much interesting. Very